Hey everyone! If you want to add friends in Counter-Strike 2, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to add friends using a Steam friend code. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Launch Counter-Strike 2. On the right side, you'll see your Steam friends list. Click the Add Friend icon in the top right. A new window will open. Click Find a user by their friend code. Now ask your friend to send you their Steam friend code. If they don't know where to find it, tell them to open Steam. Click Friends from the top menu. Then click Add a Friend. Their Steam friend code will be displayed at the top of the page. Click Copy and send the code to you. Now go back to Counter-Strike 2. Paste the friend code into the search box. Then click Send Invite. Wait for your friend to accept the request. Once they accept, they'll appear in your friends list. Click on your friend's name. Then select Invite to Lobby. Now you can play CS2 together. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you're still having any problems, leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you. Thanks for watching.